Hello, today we will be unboxing the Arlo Pro 3 camera kit. Arlo Pro 3 is wire-free, so you can shine like a pro and easily install and adjust your camera. The Pro 3 series is offered in multiple kit options, and today we will be sharing what is included in the 2-camera kit. First, we have the Arlo Pro 3 cameras. These cameras have an integrated spotlight, color night vision, and capture 2K video with HDR. The camera's modular design allows you to easily swap batteries without changing the position of your camera. On the bottom is a quick release button, and there is a built-in catch to prevent against accidental drops. These are the rechargeable batteries. Place the battery in the camera with the Arlo logo facing up. Here's the magnetic charging cable, a convenient way to charge your camera without removing the batteries. It easily snaps into place at the bottom of the camera. Here's the mounting hardware and screw kits. This is the magnetic mount. This mount allows for easy setup in more locations, including a ceiling or under an awning. You can easily adjust your camera to capture that perfect angle. This is the Smart Hub, which securely connects your cameras to the internet via your home router and provides longer range connectivity and improved battery life for your cameras. Here's the Ethernet cable and power adapter for your Smart Hub. In this envelope is the Quick Start Guide. This guide helps walk you through the initial setup steps for your Arlo Pro 3 cameras. And here's a decal for your house to alert visitors that your home is protected by Arlo. Please check out our installation videos for information on how to set up your Arlo Pro 3 security cameras.